How to pay in installment on Shop app. In this video, I'm going to provide you additional information or details for you to be able to set your or to change your payment method into installments if you're trying to purchase anything from Shop app. So first things first, there is actually a specific rule or compliance for you to be able to be eligible to use an installment on Shop app. So first things first is, of course, you must reside within the United States or Canada or UK, and then you need to use a payment card within, of course, US, Canadian, or United Kingdom billing addresses. And then self-explanatory that you have to be at least 18 years of age. And then this is not actually a prompt or an immediate offer for you to use. So it will always show onto your payment tab. So say for example, this was been added into your card. If you click on buy now, pay installments will automatically show up if this specific product is available for will be paying in installment, and of course if you also meet the criteria. If you do, all you have to do is just to go straight in the specific product that you would like to pay in installment, and then choose on buy now, and then choose on pay in installment option. And that's how you pay an installment on Shop app.